is at night. Suffocation is absence of light. The future will be bright only if the climate is right. Pollution here and there. Question will is there. It becomes a nightmare. When you walk with a lot of care. Vehicles up and down and aeroplanes flown. Before the pollution zone, if there is a zone, we need to fight against the tide. The future will be bright only if the climate is right.
Hello everyone, my name is Doaba Tiwari and I am from class 6A3. Today I am representing the country USA and my topic is clean energy. The name of my poem is Winds of Change. From sea to shining sea they rise, the solar fields beneath blue skies, and the turbines spin on open plains. Nature that is earth. We've given our heart away to solid born. See that is person to be moved. The wind that holy and all ours. For this for everything, all out of the view. It would God, I didn't have a peace. Said Wilson I would be later as to know. So live I.
Lakes and rivers we hold dear. Why the shine so big and you not keep it clean for me and you? No trash, no oil, no dirty land, just clean water in our hands. No life, no health, no everyday, just keep pollution far away. Thank you.